Mani Sal, Orocini, Sibaidala district, Brisamgonjo subdivision, Joto public rock, Tini Buma Bodol, Tini Satro, Guardian, Joton Okalaika, Boro Actan Dahorum Borok, Tini Kok Borogno, Romanske Maprenai. Since Joto Simona, Kok Roman script, Obotini Salsani Dabia, Prai Ponchas Bosor Sekang, Kok Roman script no, Bisotin Tiprasarok, Kok speaker of Abu Dhabi Kaifago, Abu burning issue, very important issue, Since Saimano, Tini Tiprasarok, Kok speaker, Sarah Barbosoro, Bangladesh, Tini Kawang Brok Tongu, Ibrao Tong Prai Tero Chodolak, Nini Mijramo Tongu, Tini Kok speaker, Ek Dulak, Megalago Tongu, Asamo Tongu, Hai Klaigoi, Tini Pasapasi Tini Budurok, Prai Kabang matini Ponda Sailak, Haitini Kokboro speaking people tongu. Here like goodbye gochung, Tini Kokborok no tak punachung, Tini Mutuk money high, Tin Romanski Bachun Squibeko, Tin state government to Pragomen, Tak Panaborok, Sotik Chitan to Borok Namayako, Tak point to Borok Tini, a simple Ponda Boson Paikats and David Haimani. Bo scribes Huinai, Na Bangla Bai. Na Roman script by na Devanagri, Tabon Tigmayako. Like Durbago, Avanibagoy, Sing Government Koinai, or Bisang Sanamusugo, in Kokbor Roman script to you. Kabangma Commission Atoka, Tinta Commission Atoka, Tini Jud Amalo Congress, INPT, Tuesdays Jud Amalo, Samazoran Commission, Tenini Atoka, Tatin Tabo Chibim Amalo Bahino, Commission Basa Commission Atoka, ini Polito Sarkar Basa Commission, Haine Tinta Basa Commission, Atokha, who Basa Commission report, Singmaka, Goto Boro in favor of Roman script. Topantini Gombendo Maninaya. Abo Basa Commission, Abo Gomben Klayo, Gomben Abo, Sonsta, Gomini report, Gomini Boron Saibakade, the Prajago, 80% above, Kokborok people rock, the Brasarok, Roman script Tatago, Aboketini, Commission report. Obai Situtino Tini, Borok Tini Roman Scrim Borok, Takwimu Chalukaya. They will believe one of my Singsa, Idaningo Tini BGB Sorkat Paika, Hotat Kraber of Sawaga, Devan Giri script. Since Simon Devan script about dead language. Already Devanagris become dead language about Krika, Topano, Borozobosti, forcefully Tini or Roman Scrim Borok, Saparoitongo. It's very unfortunate. Today, I want to highlight the issue of Roman script. As you all know, the people of Tripura, especially Kokboro speaking people, are demanding for the last 70 years, 50 years in demand of Roman script. But still, Congress government, CPM government, BJP government, till today, they cannot decide which script will be adopted in our state. It's very unfortunate. But we have seen there are 3 commissions already set up, already constituted, and three commission they have reported in favor of Roman script. It is a government commission, Basa commission. Still then, the government is not taking care of this one. It is very unfortunate. This Basa commission was constituted by the government itself, and the Basa commission have reported in favor of Roman script. But unfortunately, no government is taking it seriously. Neither Congress government, neither CPM government, neither BJP government, they are not taken very seriously. I think time is already running off. Enough is enough. Now our people are really excited. Our people are very ready. It become burning issues. If immediately the state government did not solve the problem of Roman script, and in near future, I think there will be vigorous movement. There will be the longest movement. We are already concentrated. Because this has become public demand. It is not political demand. Today, it is very fortunate. The Sipaijala district is a public demand. Guardian, student, employee, youth, everybody is demanding the Roman script. And again, I want to mention here, even now, long time, the Communist Party, the student wing, TSU, they have, yesterday I have heard in the newspaper, even in Facebook, even the CPM wing, TSU, Tribal Student Union. Once upon a time, they are against Roman script. This group also, TSU also now demanding Roman script, which means 90% people of the Tripura, they are in favor of Roman script. Therefore, I request the present government, BJP-led government, should consider, should understand the public grievances, public agony, public demand to adopt immediately Roman script in Kokborok in our state. Thank you.